Welcome to my Master Henna and Jagua Body Art course. In this course, I'm going to teach you everything that you need to know about henna body art and Jagua body art so that you can start your own services, from how to choose the right henna powder and also how to do amazing designs. And I'm also going to be focusing on customer service and care. So that way all of your clients have the best experience possible, because that is so important. You really want your clients to be talking about you and to come back to you for more services. And in this course, I'll also be teaching you how to roll your own henna cones. We're going to be talking about all the details that you need to know, like every little thing will be covered in this course. And I'll also teach you about different types of services that you can offer, such as private appointments, when you're working festivals, large events, parties, maybe you even want to do bridal and you really want to do a really great job. And I'm going to teach you how to streamline everything to make it really easy for yourself and extremely professional. Because remember, henna isn't just about applying a design for someone, it's about self-care and wellness. Everything that I know, you'll be able to know, and you'll be able to apply it to the services that you offer to your clients. And not only will I be teaching you about the henna body art designs that I do and my go-tos, but I'll also have featured guest artists that you all can learn from as well.
Hi there, my name is Melanie Uwe. My business is Blue Lotus Henna based in Portland, Oregon. What I absolutely love about doing henna is the fact that I get to work with other people to co-create artwork. I really think of henna as a form of art therapy and also as a plant medicine.
Hi, my name is Anissa Karim and I am the artist and owner of the eCourse Body Art and Design. Whether it's a human canvas or whatever medium you choose, don't wait for the perfect moment. You can start now.
So you'll be learning how to market yourself on social media platforms, what type of photos to take, really going deep and hard into marketing. And I'm going to teach you exactly what I do so that way you can have the same level of success.